One and 1/2 cup split Bengal gram. 1/2 kilograms boneless chicken. 1 medium-sized onion, chopped. 1 medium-sized potato. 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. 1 tablespoon salt. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/2 tablespoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon chopped masala. 3 cup water. Mix well. Cook on medium flame. Cover and cook on medium flame for 30 minutes. Cook on high flame until water dries. 1 teaspoon allspices powder. Mash well. Let it cool down. 2 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves, chopped. 4 green chilies, chopped. 1 egg. Mix well. Grease the hands. Three tablespoons cooking oil.